Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what Sunscald looks like on a tomato and how to know when to pick the tomato. Here's a clip from the show. One thing that I do want to show you on these is what's called Sunscald. So if you look at this tomato right here, you see this is still kind of orangish, whereas the bottom of the tomato is, bottom of the tomato is in the mud. Okay, let's wipe that off. So the bottom of the tomato here is ripe, it's red. So our sun is so intense that we do get what's called Sunscald. So I'm not really going to wait for this to ripen. I'm just going to go by what the color looks like on the bottom. And some varieties will Sunscald more than other varieties, but I just want you to be aware that that is something, and you don't necessarily have to wait for the top to ripen to pick these. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 22. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.